This unique one-bedroom rental plus den has northeast exposure with view of the pier over the ocean on the north. Sit on the balcony and watch the sun rise in the mornings.
Dining room with direct ocean view. Spacious living room overlooking the ocean. Sofa sitting arrangement on wood floor. Upgraded kitchen with granite counter and stainless steel appliances. Half bath at entrance of unit and next to the den. Master bedroom with sliding door leading to balcony. Master bathroom with shower tub and washer and dryer. Theater room where one can watch movies or sport events on the big screen with friends. Swimming pool with hot tub and cabanas. Newly renovated lobby with 24-hour concierge. Entrance to the lobby of Oceania 3. Lighted walkway behind the 3 buildings of Oceania Complex. Sand and ocean behind the Oceania buildings. Pier has restaurant and fishing at the tip of the pier. Oceania buildings overlooking Sunny Isles Beach. Salon and spa in Oceania Club. Racquetball in Oceania Club. Squash court in Oceania Club. Exercise room in Oceania Club which holds daily classes in yoga, Pilates, Latin dances, and many more. State-of-the-art gym with professional trainers. Tennis courts on Oceania Island across the street from the beach. This complex has everything for resort luxury living. Come and live here in paradise.